Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making an easy, delicious, creamy chicken and veggie casserole bake. Let's begin. Wash and steam the broccoli, or just boil it until it's crunchy. Boil the potatoes until they are soft but not crumbly soft. Pat dry the chicken tenders, then season them with salt and black pepper. Sprinkle the onion and garlic powder. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information below. Sprinkle the smoked paprika and rub the seasoning in. Add a few drops of oil and continue to rub in until all the pieces are covered with seasoning. You may use any spices you have, add or subtract. Heat the skillet or the frying pan until it's smoking hot, then add oil. Fry the chicken in batches. If the skillet is small, that's done on high heat. Turn over the pieces once they brown. A warm welcome to the new viewers. I hope you love it here. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free to subscribe. Once the chicken is ready, take it out of the pan to avoid it continuing cooking. A big thank you to my returning subscribers for your continuous support. You are the best. To support the channel, please stay until the end and please run the ads. Let's make the bechamel sauce. In a pan, melt the butter. Add the flour and cook it until it's golden, stirring in between. If you are into feminine personal hygiene and products, please subscribe to Mbali Morage. Shout out to this channel, Mbali Morage. Back to our cooking. Add milk and stir constantly. This is on medium heat. Season with salt and stir. Add the ground nutmeg or use a store-bought ground nutmeg. Cook until it thickens. Then remove it from the heat. Close it with a cling wrap so that it doesn't form skin. In a casserole or pie dish, place the cubed potatoes. Follow with drained broccoli. Apologies for the poor lighting. Drizzle with some of the sauce and leave some for the topping. Stir. Earlier on, I wanted to say you may use even sweet potatoes, especially if you are carb conscious. Add the chicken. Oh, we had to taste that chicken because the aroma was amazing. Pour the rest of the sauce. Top with the grated mozzarella cheese. You may cover the whole dish with cheese, your preference. Bake it in a preheated oven until the cheese is melted. Do not overbake it so that it doesn't go dry. Remember, most ingredients are already cooked. To support the channel, please press the like button and comment below your thoughts about this recipe. This is one of the best dinners ever. Please try it, it's delicious and it is easy to prepare. I hope you will love this casserole dish. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.